Okay, so once you're on your teacher homepage, you can scroll up and down to view all your course titles. So right now I'm going to take you into one practice course to show you what you will typically be looking at and working with for each course. When you want to go into the course, go to the bottom right hand corner of the course tile and click Editor right here. This brings you into the course editor, where you'll be getting your course information and setting up each individual session and also uploading your work. This is your main work area for each course that you're teaching in Buzz. So it's all pretty much right here. At the top you have your essential material. For this video I'm just going to show you how to access the scope and sequence for the course. What you do is you click on the three blue dots on the right hand side. Then you come down and click Preview. This will bring you to a separate screen where you can then just click on the actual scope and sequence document right there. Wait a few seconds for it to download and it should show up at the bottom of your screen right here. Once it's there, you can click on it and then click Enable Editing at the top. So this is the scope and sequence for this particular course. Basically, it's a list of everything the student should be taking away from the course and a breakdown of each unit for each semester. It gives you course enduring understandings, course essential questions, student abilities, performance tasks, and suggested texts. It also gives you a suggested breakdown of the sessions for each unit. Right down here. If you notice, at least with this particular scope and sequence, it's pretty vague, and that's on purpose. It's just to give you an idea of how to pace your sessions. It's basically a jumping off point, but not something that's locked in stone. It leaves room for you as a teacher to lesson plan as you will, according to the subject that you're teaching. Okay, so I'll come back to Buzz, and in the next video, I'll talk about how to access material from the National Resource Library.